Sci, fun, sci, fun,
Sci, Sci,
fun. Go, long, short, with, up, down, fast, trade, psycho, psycho, operating, logic, psycho, psycho, calculating,
Sci, fun,
the flow moves, we execute, the flow moves, we execute, short, long, up, down, side, fun. Psycho, precision, trade, win, psycho, fast, now, psycho. Sci, fun, sci, fun,
Sci, Sci,
fun. Go, long, short, with, up, down, fast, trade, psycho, psycho, operating, logic, psycho, psycho, calculating,
Sci, fun,
the flow moves, we execute, the flow moves, we execute, short, long, up, down, side, fun.
Welcome. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. And the market's going crazy right now. But right now, let's go and just do a quick little introduction. Welcome to Trader Fade. I'm Sir Poops a Lots. We have Ajmal, and as always, Stop Loss. Welcome aboard. And say hello, everybody.
Hey guys, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing
What are you doing? Hope you're good. So yeah, it's a interesting week to say. Things are happening, and things are not happening.
No, that's true.
So yeah, there are
no
something
deals
that
for
happened.
20
There are something that we expect that didn't happen. So yeah,
One day will
anyways.
happen, maybe next week in 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, let's see. And
loss.
there are a lot of things, so let's start.
Oh yeah. Stop Loss, are you there? Are you live right now?
Yes, I am. Sorry, I'm like just making sure our account is connected right now. And I was just placing a trade, the Palantir trade. So
Oh,
Yes. Short Palantir.
oh yeah. All right. So let's see. I got my position in. Oh wait, did it not go through? It's still creating the trade. Okay. Come on.
Hurry.
Let's see. How are the markets looking overall, though? Does it look like it's a green day today?
Well, for gold, it seems like a green day. It went upside. It had a little dunk earlier at pre-market. But now it looks like a big recovery to the upside.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm up on my gold position right now.
The NASDAQ is tanking. Tank City, oh my God.
Really good, because I'm in these positions here. I did short the NAS pretty early on SI here, and so we're down. Not down too bad. We can still get out of this. So we're gonna short Palantir, make some money back, and then probably go long on the NAS when it does pull back to say like VWAP. But yeah, it's gonna be a little bit before it comes back down to these levels probably. But we can take a look at it. Why is this not connecting? Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure out. My wallet is connected, but the trade is not going through.
Did you refresh your browser?
I did. Let's try again.
yeah, let's try again.
Yeah, it just says creating the trade, and then I don't see the window to confirm the transaction. I did see it earlier,
Okay.
but
Did you do, how about trying to sign in with just the email?
well, my money's on this account though.
Never mind that.
Uh-oh. Might not be able to place any trades through this account today.
Oh no.
Something is definitely not right. Here, let me just close this window and just start a new one. Maybe that will work.
Yeah.
Well, she's doing technical difficult stuff. Let's go ahead and talk about the markets. All right. 1 second. There we go. So while we talk about where she's doing that, Ajmal and I were just kind of glancing over the things of possibilities or not possibilities. And let's say there's no possibilities until 2028. As all of y'all may have may not heard, the Strait of Hormuz will be closed out to the United States and to Israel. There's going to be no deals being made with the U.S. at all until President Trump is out the office. And we had President Trump crying like a little crybaby, saying that they owe us money. Versus, it's like they're asking for money, but they owe us money for killing our guys. I'm like, well, he did kind of send them over there. So it's kind of weird.
Yeah, the logic is like, I don't know. There is like inverse logic, you can say.
Oh yeah, well, his whole thing, his whole spiel is never say he lost. That's his whole thing. Never admit to defeat. Ever.
Yeah, never admit you're at loss.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what he has to keep doing.
We can do the same with the SAI account. Like we are up in the QQQ trade. It's not with us.
I swear it will go down. We didn't lose any money.
Yeah.
But,
Anyways,
yeah.
so what happened in last week? So we had the gold up. We predicted that one quite accurately, and right after, like someone heard that and then start buying. So there was a frenzy. So yeah, gold price went up. Crypto, like it is still in the same range as we noted last time. It's still in like going between the two lines.
Yeah.
And what
You wanna
else?
sh-
Oil
you wanna-
went up a little bit.
Yeah, it did. I'm so sad about that. I was like, I was on a long on oil when it hit the 70s, and I got out at 82. I'm like, oh, I'll get out at 82. It looks like there might be some weird. Who knows if there might be a deal or not?
Yeah.
Right? I got out when it was safe, and then next thing you know, it goes to 85. I'm like, God dang it, no! Go back down so I can go back in the ride again. But but like you said, oil's going up for the reason we just talked about.
Yeah.
Do you think there's gonna be any attacks happening from the U.S.? Just because, again, there's no deal that's going to happen at all.
Obviously they will threaten, but actions, it will be like very difficult this time, because like first time their initial thought was like, let's go all in and then obliterate them, or like and make them not attack us. Like that was the kind of logic they used at the first time. And the second time it was like, oh yeah, the first time failed, let's try like some defense, because like we cannot say we lost. And then there was like a peace treaty and stuff, and then again it was like, let's try a quick attack or something like that. So
Yeah.
right now it is like we are spending too much and there is nothing to show for it. Like
Yeah, exactly.
So
And we're supposed to be
we have to
attacking.
just-
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah. It is difficult to justify that and continue that, and because like you're just losing so much money and the debt is increasing, like I don't know how fast it is going. And another problem that come up is like US strategic oil reserve is like all-time low or something like that. So yeah, so
Yeah.
given all that, I don't think US can continue in the offense without showing some results. So either they have to like go all in, like attack continuously, like troop in the soil, like it has to be the whole debate. Otherwise, it is. I don't think it will be very like wise to go in a short kind of way. But given like Trump is in the office, there is no possibility that we cannot say no.
Yeah.
So anything can happen.
I think.
But
But we're supposed to have like enough gunpowder to go over Cuba. Remember, he keeps saying Cuba's next. So Cuba's like, yes, please. We can make if you're making Iran money. Hey, hook it up with us. Try to attack us right now.
yeah,
Like, oh yeah, we're ready for this little war you want to do. But there's just so much stuff that's going to cause a lot of. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's all a big poop show. If this is happening, because he basically made Iran really rich with a 7% fee that they're going to go and impose. So
a lot of things really is like a secondary effect of the war, and some are like the tertiary effect of the war. So basically,
Yeah.
a lot of countries understood they are really depend on some of the resources, like India, for example, they are really dependent. South Korea, and like a lot of countries had this kind of secondary effect where it's not like they are buying directly from the Gulf countries, which got blocked, or they are buying from another country, and that country decided to stop exporting because of the low reserve of all the countries.
Yeah.
So, for example, China stopped exporting their oil. So the the countries that buy from China had this secondary effect. It's not like they are not dealing with Iran, but they are dealing with China still.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they still had to deal with China. Yeah, China's gonna be the big boss and all this. Basically, China has like a big hand of well, they have the overall like how do you say? I would say the trump card, but it's not going to work.
Yeah.
Leverage.
The leverage, yes, there you go. I was looking
Okay,
at-
so let's see if you have any trades in Discord.
let's
I
see.
believe so, right? I think you mentioned
Yeah,
there
we
was
have-
2 trades.
Yeah, we have 2 trades. The first is from Bilal, and the second is from Musty. So Bilal want to long BTC at current market price, and he thinks it will go up to 65,500.
Mm-hmm. That sounds right. Billy B.
Billy B is always active. You know,
Oh yeah, for sure.
he's the most active person in Sai. So yeah.
Him and let's see. Give me 1 second.
Maybe we could increase this to like 6%. Yeah, let's do 6. Buy long market.
So yes.
There he goes.
It's the Australian internet. So slow. Come on. Wow.
Yeah, it's a
He said stop.
sometimes it's like if your internet is very slow and it breaks and you're going in a bad trade, that can save you, but
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't always work on your favor. But yeah, sometimes it can. So not all internet failures are bad, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
All right,
you're up?
come on.
No.
Did it? No,
not-
no, it's
not
not. It didn't even have the little pop-up window yet.
Okay.
Not sure what to do now. If I should refresh or
You disconnected the wallet and connected it.
yeah, sometimes that helps. Oh wait, what happened to my Palantir trade?
Did it close off?
What? Did it close
It
by stop
closed by
loss? Did it
stop
go
loss.
up? It went up?
Oh.
No way.
It did go up.
Da fuck. I need to make sure I put my stop loss forward for my Palantir short actually. Okay,
Yeah.
let's see. We're gonna long BTC. Oops. Damn. All right. Well, we're gonna try to short that again. Sometimes you gotta do it up to give it 3 tries is what I usually say.
Mm-hmm.
Stop losses do 6%. Buy.
Come on, Billy B needs that moolah to go buy me some delicious food. If not, Sir Poops a lot will die.
So what do you think about BTC market right now? Like, is there a chance that we can go higher, or
Well-
it's like all the hops are down?
I'm waiting for the big drop down first before it goes up higher.
Yeah.
I think that's the one thing. It still has a lot of like liquidation it needs to get rid of on the downside. But I think where we've seen it from the highs of all time highs forever ago till now, people like they always say it's this at the true value it's supposed to be. But some people think the value is at the 30,000 zone, which I can see that happening. But again, it's gonna be a lot of really negative news for that to really happen.
Yeah.
And a lot of
And also,
sell-offs.
like it could have been like 30,000 if there is like institution didn't came up. So in the retail value, I could see it is like hovering around like 30, even like going down further. But
Yeah.
now we have like big companies, and we have like lot of funds and everything set up. So there is like institutionalization, and there is like countries buying BTC as like reserve, those kind of stuff. That really did boost the price up, and
Yeah.
around like 60 is like a fair value to me, but it all depends.
Oh yeah, for sure. I think as you said, it's like the fair value. What is the fair value? What is the fair value of BTC?
So another thing is like there is the fear over quantum computing, which is not really there yet, but still the fear is there. You know? So
Oh yeah, of course.
so people, even if someday there is like a movement in the market, which like if there is like BTC from old Satoshi era that moved, then it's going to come down. So people fear that one, you know. So there has been like proposals to freeze those funds which have not been moved for long, and that again, if that happens, some people will be relieving that, oh yeah, we have no fear, but another section will come and say, now there is no decentralization. You said no one can block my BTC, now you can. So
Yeah, exactly.
it's a very like kind of debate going on and forth, and it's kind of difficult right now in BTC. Whatever you choose, there is going to be a session that's against you.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's
As I said,
one.
That one, and
Yeah.
plus the hype of it all. I think it feels like again, we thought more people would jump on. That's just like the retail investors, just like the regular people out there in the world that's not into crypto, would be just like invest in it, because then
Yeah.
we have the big boom of Bitcoin and everybody kind of knows what it is now, right? But I think just like the whole idea of like a lot of scammers kind of just ruined the reputation.
Oh, yeah.
And then it's just kind of just
That's
turned
there
out
in
a lot.
any kind of financial instrument.
Yeah.
You have whatever you take, there is like stocks, and because like in stocks, it happened before, like the regulations are set before the era of like social media and everything. It's not like widespread. So there, even if something happens, a lot of people doesn't know that happened.
Yeah,
But then regulations come in and they like make sure that kind of stuff didn't happen. But now for BTC and most crypto markets, the regulations are not set in a lot of countries. So and for US, the Clarity Act, did we pass that? Like what's happening?
I think that passed. I think I'm not, but I'm not completely sure. I remember there was like some positive news about it, but it didn't do anything to the price of BTC. I think it passed, but there's still no. I haven't heard much news about it afterwards. Actually, let me see. Actually,
Yeah.
check that. Clarity Act.
And then like so
I don't think
you
it's
need a lot
passed
of-
yet. They're still
I
trying to
don't
push it
think
through
it's
right now.
Yeah.
It probably passed to the House and still has to go through Senate. Yeah. So they're pushing it for the they're trying to push it because there's a recess on August, which is like later on this August.
Yeah. So
So the voting schedule is on September 15th. So it won't be for a while.
yeah, it seems so. So that's one. So I think that was scheduled for before this session, and there is a recess, and then it might be passed afterwards. So who knows? That's one. Another thing, we have another trade. Like, let's open the trade.
Yeah. Musty Cyber.
Yeah, Musty want to short Link because
Link. That's
Link
it. Oh, yeah.
might-
Sorry.
his why he is doing the trade is that the 2 hour remain bearish after rejecting 8.89 supply zone, so he thinks it will go lower.
Okay.
So
So
he want
market
to
short.
they want to short market, take profit at 7.8.
7.8. $7.80.
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay.
7.8. He's very specific. 7.808.
I don't even know. Can we even do that many? Okay, I guess we can. All
I guess we
right.
can.
I like that.
Yeah.
All right, so short.
His okay. 15x leverage.
Yeah. Oh, I think the max for Link is only 5 now.
Yeah. So yeah, let's do 5.
Yeah, I think it's my account today. Something with maybe Claude messing up my browser and causing issues with confirming the transaction. See how are these trades doing. Oh, the
Okay.
BTC long is
BTC
up.
one. 1.9%. Yeah, it's good.
Come on, Sai. All right, I think it's taking too long. Let me refresh. Guess today was not meant to be.
Five. We can't go.
Oh, so 5 is
15.
the max. Okay. Were we supposed to short?
Yeah, he wanted to short. 7.808. Take profit.
Okay. So
Let's go.
come on, Sai. Gold is going down a little bit. It actually hit 4,400 during the market
Yeah.
open.
So
was trying to short it.
I actually want to share a little bit on gold. So there was a report from Gold Council. I was like thinking after this trade open we can talk a little bit on that, but it's taking time. So yeah, meanwhile I can share my screen and in background you can open that trade.
Sounds good.
Okay, so this report was from Gold Council. You can see weekly market monitoring. Every week they submit, like they make a report, and then you can go and read that. So basically, it's titled "Unwedged" because this wedge was broken, and now it is going up. So you can read the exact reasons what is happening. And what factors are like affecting gold right now, and there is like Hormuz situation, China's exports stayed strong, and there is like India's RBI keeping the rates unchanged. So those kind of things have moved the gold, and the reason why I want to share this report is mostly on this one. So give me a minute. So yeah, so this shows what kind of trading, like which sessions the gold is moving more. So it's according to each session. You can see Asia is in the green, and after August 4, like August 5, 6, 7, on all dates, the Asian markets when it opens, it goes up for the gold. So it's not just like buy gold, it's also because like when to buy gold. So before the market open, if you buy the Asian markets, which is given, you can see the time here. So UTC time is like for Asia, it's like 22 hours. So if you are in a different time zone, you have to like wake up at the time and then set an alarm, wake up and place a trade, or like you can see the charts and find yourself. So yeah, this is like a crucial information. Like there are some time zones that is going up, going down, and more like inconsistent. But for example, Europe is like mostly it is down. It comes up and then it goes down. It goes down, but sometimes it's just like inconsistent. So yeah, this is one thing you have to keep in mind, because the market, different market react differently for gold because everyone is buying gold. So yeah, another thing, I think we will discuss this a little bit later on, like what is coming up, what decisions are upcoming for next few days. So today we have existing home sales, and this is small business optimism. it's reported yet? I'm not sure.
Let me see. I can check that out. Let's say also we're missing this past Sunday, inflation for China came out, which is one of those things that actually inflation went down in China. So I'm not sure if that's going to predict what's happening in the U.S. coming up. Is it tomorrow? Tomorrow's inflation CPI data. So
CPI month over month is like tomorrow.
Yeah,
and it's predicted to be 0.1.
Right.
CPI
And that's
year over
partially
year is
why
like
gold is going up right now too. It's because
Yeah.
falling ahead of the inflation print.
yeah, I'm curious to see how inflation is going to act for tomorrow because we had a good inflation going down a bit, but at the moment now that's data for when we had a calming, we had like a ceasefire, and that was reflecting that moment. But now that ceasefire didn't last that long, we might see either a shocker of a data, or we might see some inflation going down just like China. But
Yeah.
we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so that's gonna be interesting.
Yeah, and this is kind of a report if you're actually investing in gold or buying gold trades, then you can easily read this one, and it makes a lot of sense on like what is happening. It covers most stuff, like who is buying, what is happening. So one of the things is like which market is actually buying and what is the actual impact of each markets. So North America was like buying a lot, and so is Europe and Asia, but other regions has like very less impact. And another thing I want to show is, give me a sec. I think, it covers ETF flows. Yeah, this one. So who is actually buying? Which exchanges are like buying more? So usually we think on like their scale, right? So it covers like which exchange is having the highest volume, and so in the in the month of July, the OTC was like 200 tons. The exchanges handle like 140 tons, but gold ETFs they handle like 4 tons. Now, so the impact of gold on like ETFs, even though they have a higher pressure, but it's cooling down in July. So in August, definitely it has went up right now, but it was coming down, and then now it is going up. So
Okay, cool. That's volatility overall.
yeah, so it is right now sitting at 4,385. Oh, I have to turn it off. Yeah, much better.
I liked it.
You like this one or old one? Yeah, it's a good kind of indicator I use.
Yeah.
It's called-
Is this using what moving average is it using?
What?
Is it using a moving average to get the like the cross right there where it says go long?
Yeah, it's kind of like it's an average of moving averages.
Okay.
It's a nice one. It does say adaptive Fourier transform super trend. It's from Quant Algo, but it doesn't actually use Fourier transform. This is a different technique, but it uses SMAs, and then it averages at different kinds of SMAs and then find this one. It's kind of not too accurate on those long and shorts calls, but it does indicate like sometimes it gets right.
Well, it's kind of like when it's doing like a flat. That's just pretty much chop zone right there, where it just goes by, and then it'll get. I guess it'll be a moving average cross. Stop loss talks about this too. When the moving averages cross, and then you see. I guess you have that indicator on top of this indicator, and it'll help you like find that, find those entries correctly. It looks nice though. I like it.
Yeah, for me, it's like it works much better in 4 hours.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So it's like it predicted kind of like early, and then it went up.
Then it took off. Yeah, you're right. I'm probably using a higher time frame kind of thing.
Yeah, but 1 hour is like sweet spot for me personally. I do like 1 hour trades. 4 hours like too much time to wait for that 1 week.
Yeah,
you know?
like days later, you finally get to do a trade.
Yeah. So yes. So this looks fine. It looks like nice. It's still going up, and then let's see how it goes. And I have seen a lot of people using the smart money concepts. So you can see
Oh yeah.
yeah, break of structure here, and another break of structure here. Yeah, and this one. So this almost concluded that the price will go up. So
Yeah, I think
yes, it yeah, this is a very nice indicator. And yeah, there is a weak high on top, and still it thinks yeah, it can go higher. So yeah, for me it is still it's still inconclusive, saying that it can go how much higher it can go, because it was rejected for 400, and
yeah.
it could still come back at 400 at this level because it's a big high, and it can go a little bit higher, but I do think it could still come down.
Yeah.
What's your prediction?
Ooh, this is tough. I think 44 is like 44 4,450 seems like a place where it can hit. Stop loss mentioned that 4,500 is like the short zone right there. Like that's where it can probably hit and go to the downside. But yeah, gold still has a little upside left. I think there's a lot of gas up there. I guess until tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens tomorrow, because tomorrow we can all just dump. I actually might have to do something for this actually, because I'm gonna try to make a calculator that calculates all the data that makes inflation, that shows prior to the inflation data. So I did it earlier 2 weeks ago, and it actually was on point. So I'm gonna test it out one more time before I just put this out to the public.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, it's really cool. So if you really want to trade the CPI data, it's easy with confidence without, but you do have those crazy wicks up and downs when the data goes up. So
Yeah.
it's probably good to wait till that passes before anything. Stop
Okay, we
loss.
have the trades up.
Say again?
The link trade was successful, or we still have
Yes.
time?
Let's see.
Okay, nice.
Let's.
How
check
is it
on
going?
We're about to find out.
Okay.
Okay, so it looks like only the
It's,
BTC
lost,
market is
yeah.
up right now.
Did Link get stopped out?
Which one? The Palantir one? No, we're still in the
Link?
Palantir
No,
one. Right?
not yet.
Link.
Yeah.
Oh, Link. No, not yet. It's right here. They're down $2. $2. So it looks like the Nasdaq actually pulled back a little bit, and then it just like started flying. It like rebounded really quick. Had a really crazy wick down. Let me check.
Yeah, it made a recovery.
Okay, let's look at the 15-minute chart.
It could be a fake out though.
Okay. So when the market opened here, I think this is today. No, it's not today. Oh my god. All right, I was looking way too far. Huh, is it not showing all the data? I feel like my times are wrong because it says it's August 11th at 13:45.
I think that's UTC time, because you can see UTC time in the below. It's currently 14 UTC.
Ah, I see. I need to set this to
Yeah,
Pacific.
you can select the UTC time. Yeah.
Okay, so this is when it opened and it dipped down to 718 and it rebounded nicely here. Yeah, I was trying to catch that long there on side, but missed it. Fortunately.
This is like 15 minutes, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You can go 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, it's choppy at the start, as always.
Okay, so open here. So it needs to break. So I've been playing with this new strategy called the opening range. opening day range. So essentially what you do is like you identify when the market opens. So it opens at 6:30, right? And you count the first 5 minutes. So this is the 5-minute bar, and this is the high of the day of the 5 minute and the low. And so you can see that price broke out of it after that 5 minutes, which means momentum's heading down. It didn't continue down, but it came back in here. And so we'll monitor and see if it goes up or down. But the moment it breaks one of these ranges, you can go ahead and short in that direction. So maybe what we'll do is just watch price action and then see how it reacts. And then maybe take a trade on the NASDAQ again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's right. The high and the low. Okay, cool. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on the NAS. Did you guys want to open any trades?
For me, not yet.
It's a tough one.
Yeah.
Shoot, if I was to do anything, I'll still do. You got Palantir.
We got the Palantir short on here already.
I'll go long on gold.
Long on gold?
Yours and minds.
We gotta fix these arrows.
What are those?
It's supposed to be like in and out. You know, like when you get in a short out of a long.
Oh,
out of a short out of a
burgers. I'm in and out burgers.
What? How's
You
like
said
in and out? Oh, I see.
I was like, in and out burger. Oh my god, I want one so bad.
Do you know what your take profit is? Are you gonna try to ride it up to 4,400?
Yeah, that seems like the safe way to go. It seems like it could easily bounce back up there. It's like only like what, less than $20 away.
Still early. It has not been. The market has not been open for more than an hour yet. Anything can go. Trump can tweet. Who knows?
Every tweet. He's like, he has to make sure he get all his money's worth, or give his subscriber to his API's money's worth. Because, man, God, 100K.
I wonder how many people have like subscribed. You know,
a lot of rich folks.
Yeah,
total
right?
access controls. Yeah.
We should get a group of people to sign up and pay for it.
Have a collection. We'll all share. If you guys hear us, please donate. We can all be winners. We're all gonna make it, as they say.
We'll all make millions this year.
Yeah, exactly. Yep, gold's going up. I call
Looks
it
like the
right.
NASDAQ is going down.
Yep, NASDAQ's tanking. Like NASDAQ just has like a nice little like bounce, but it could be, it's just like a fake out like anything else. So the market's still negative. I think nothing's positive this market because of, you know, the whole situation that's happening. No end in sight. Chaos and carnage.
Yeah, these bars are getting tinier and tinier, so I think it's going to cut back in within this range.
This is for the QQQs? Yes, it is.
Yes. Yeah, doesn't look great right now. Let's see. Do I have VWAP on here? I don't know why sometimes. Oh, yeah, I do have VWAP. Okay, cool. Let me pull up one of the EMAs. Let's do the 9.
Touch like fire. I like this song. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just singing along with the music. Even though it's been on repeat, I still like it.
I think we gotta find another song.
I guess.
No.
Time for a sleepy time music. Let's see.
No way. No thank you. No sleepy time. No sleepy time. You're gonna kill us.
Here, let's see. What is this? This one's called Feeding the Ducks. Doesn't sound too bad.
Oh, this is this is sleepy for me.
Yeah, it is. I know. It's sleepy time. It's like the tempo dropped completely. You got like an up tempo.
Yeah.
Slow.
It's very.
Feels like I'm back at in the USA at a carnival during the summer.
Wow, it's pretty corny. What is this?
The title is called Rock.
Wow.
Here, I'll play some fried rice. I like this song. Wouldn't be able to talk over this though.
You can.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
there's vocals. We just had Chinese food tonight, so it sounds so appropriate.
I would like free chicken wing with the fried rice. I would like free chicken wing with the
By
fried
the way,
rice.
Stop Loss Wang, what is your take on Nvidia?
Nvidia, okay. Nvidia, let's take a look
let's talk about some trades before we talk about this.
My brain cells are just not here tonight. Okay, Nvidia, let's take a look. I have not taken a look at Nvidia in a while, but I think $23 from what I remember is resistance. Wow, I had a nice little wick up during the open today. That looks really good. So when you see a giant wick like this is called a predictive wick. And what that means is predicting where price action is going to head towards in the near future. Does it always play out? No, but generally, I would say it's pretty accurate. Okay, let's take a look. So it's broken out of its downward trend. It is getting a little weak, but it might just continue consolidating before making another leg high. Again, I think, it really depends on how the markets are going to look in a couple of weeks, or even the chip sector, right?
Yeah.
So I'm keeping an eye on NASDAQ. I'm at the NVIDIA right now. I'm not trading it at the moment, but as you can see, the day range and the high and the lows are getting smaller and smaller. So I would like to see more data before I continue trading it. Like if it's a clear downward trend like this, going this way, then I know okay, this is obvious. When it makes a new higher low on the day, then I know okay, I can short from here, or I can long from the bottom, because it's going to go make a newer higher low the next day. But to me, this trend is just, the range is so small, it's a little bit hard for me to trade. And so I haven't really given NVIDIA a look yet. But I wouldn't be surprised if it just comes back into this 200 zone either.
Okay. But can it break the 240? I think the highest was to 235, right?
I want to say it was, 235
237.
zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
So
It's very
does it
possible.
have enough power? Yeah. Yeah, I do the same thing, because it kind of came down a little bit. It tested the highs and then come down, and then it is going up. So there is a high possibility, for me at least, it can go test a little bit higher next time. And then if it gets rejected, then it can go down for me. So what do you think?
I mean, right now the weekly looks on the monthly time frame, it is making lower highs. It could just break that, but in terms of the money flow, the sentiment, the volume, it still looks pretty healthy. Yeah, definitely not. NVIDIA is still something on my radar. I wish I had accumulated some NVIDIA when it did pull back to the 190 levels recently, because that was a really good dip buy. But I was really hoping it would go lower. 189
nice
here.
one.
Yeah, I was looking for the 170 zone, but I really should have just started accumulating, because if you're doing spot buying, NVIDIA it's an asset that moves really nicely when it does move. So you can just make your money easily.
And
So yeah,
there is
really bummed I missed that
earnings
trade.
on August 26th. So yeah,
That
after
one
next
is
week.
coming up. Yeah, I know they're reporting their earnings so late.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, estimate is 2.08. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, they they've killed it. They've been beating
Yeah.
earnings quarter over quarter. What I'm curious to do is like run a report and see how the price moves before the announcement, like days leading up to, and the day before, and then the day immediately afterwards in the
Afterwards,
aftermarket. Like those could be very volatile trades to make, but you can also make quite a bit of money. So something I will be looking at.
I think for Nvidia, the expectations just before the market, it's not that decisive. Like sometimes it does, sometimes it's not. But aftermarket can, after the report, there is a lot of rallying happening. So yeah.
The one I'm curious about. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah. No, it's fine.
It's SpaceX. Let me take a look at SpaceX. I know it's not listed on SCI, but I am just so amazed at the fact that it has rallied after the most recent unlock.
Yeah, that was unexpected, right?
Oh no, Alibaba's down a little bit. Okay. Where did I put SpaceX? Okay, you know what? It's just easier just to search for it.
It's in the left. You can search in the left. Your brain cells are somewhere else.
My brain is somewhere else. Yeah, it really is. Wait, hold on. What is SpaceX ticker again? It's like SPCX? Yeah.
Yep, correct.
This one. Oh. Oh, that's...
Yeah, it's crazy because I thought it was going to continue breaking lower, but clearly it's found a most recent floor. And we'll see how high it can go up. Well, it's starting to have resistance right around this zone. This is not right. Delete that. It was right at one point. So yeah, it's still uptrending, so curious to know where it'll go from here. Uh-oh. What was that? Sorry, guys. Yeah, it's uptrending really nicely, to be honest, on the 4 hour here.
Yeah,
but there is unlocks happening, right? There are unlocks expected.
It just had one recently. There's another one, I believe, next week.
Okay.
Is there one next week?
I think so. They just had one round. There's 2 rounds coming, one more round coming up. But there's going to be unlocks until the rest of this year, billions of more shares coming onto the market.
Yeah, I wonder, a lot of people are just waiting just to get unlocked. And then I guess it's probably little by little where it doesn't affect the price, but it's still going to affect the price where it doesn't skyrocket to the moon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think institutions are probably buying up the shares right now. But at some point, they're not going to continue buying at this high price. They're going to want to buy lower. So we shall see.
Yeah, it's still in the hype timing, right? So there is sometime we just hype a company even though it is low, even though there is nothing to show for it. So you just see the person Elon. Everyone expect this could go up in 5 years, 10 years. So it's that kind of hype. It's not short term. It's really long term kind of thing happening. So
right.
And so I think that's kind of a reason why people are not selling, even though there is unlocks. So they just say, I'll just keep it for some time. Let's see how it goes. And once it drops very low, then people can still I'm losing money. So I can, if it goes lower, I can buy lower than what I sell now. So maybe let's see how it goes.
And I think people are probably anticipating SpaceX and Tesla to have a merge, so that would also affect the stock price. So I'm sure people don't want to sell for that reason as well.
Yeah, if that happens, I think I would seem it can affect the price really high. It can go higher, right? If there is a merge between Tesla and SpaceX.
Yeah, for sure. I'm looking at QUBT, quantum computing. They have reported earnings. They did pretty well, but the stock has sold off during the market open. It's kind of bouncing right now. I was gonna try to trade it initially during the open.
What was
but-
their earnings report?
Yeah, let's see. So they Q2, for the revenue surge, their net loss did decrease by quite a bit. Their acquisitions have expanded, so they're showing growth for sure. I had made there was a small post on Sai about it, but yeah, it's still kind of sold off a little bit, but I think that's a buying opportunity right here if you were to take that long. Might not be too late to long still. You can always long, see if it reclaims VWAP here. Let's take a look at the higher time frame. Actually, let's start with the weekly. Work our way down.
It looks like the NASDAQ is tanking at the moment.
Oh, really?
It's gonna start tanking. It's flagging it big time. SpaceX is going down at the moment too.
Good, because I'm shorting SpaceX right now. Like everyone else.
Yeah, I'm definitely shorted it.
Okay, so looks like QUBT is holding on to this upward trend line here. Let's see how it goes the next few days.
You know what's going to break these few minutes?
What?
Gold.
Wait, what's happening with gold?
Going up. That means I win today's trader fades. Sorry, losers. I am the winner today. Wow.
Oh, it looks like you're red.
Hey.
It's because we did a market order,
Yeah. Yeah, we can blame the market order.
Dang. Let me see.
Just
Let me
kidding.
see. Okay, I got stuffed out of my NASDAQ and it's going back up. I'm like, great. Love that. Let's see, my goal is in the profit. All right.
Who's in profit right now?
Oh, I'm just looking at my account. My trade.
How about the other guys? Are they still
The
there?
other guys? Right, about them. Kidding. This is not my show, guys. Okay, about the other guys here. So Link is doing okay.
Yeah, it's a
They're all down.
1.1% up. Yeah. Current year short
Yeah.
is still in the red. Yeah. This is much better.
I mean, Palantir, there's quite a bit of resistance above when we look at the higher time frame, which is why I didn't put a stop loss, but I probably should, because if you look at the other NASDAQ trade, I could have gone a better position. So my liquidation would be at 207, which is not great because I think 207 was actually the high. Yeah. Could it get there immediately? No, I don't think so. I think right here there's quite a bit of resistance, especially at 188.
Well, the market got those things here because now NASDAQ's starting to full on go red zone right now. And that's a good sign. So your QQQs should be all right.
Well, my QQQ is going to be a while before I can exit those, it seems like. We can take a look at it, but looking at Palantir here, there's quite a bit of resistance right here at 187. So if it does go up, I will probably add to my short here, or just open another position at 187. But looking at the daily, as you can see, like it gapped up on earnings here. And it's continued up, but it's getting smaller and smaller on the daily range. So I do anticipate a pullback. And if I were to look at, let's see, let's take our measure tool. Let's just measure this area. Okay, so this was the gap up. This It's about 30%. So if we can get it to come back to 150, I would be happy. I would exit here. All right, so Poops Lobby, finally. Oh, never mind. You were in the green 15 cents a second ago.
Almost there, kid.
Almost there.
2 more ticks.
Wow, it's already an hour since we started the show.
Damn it.
Should we
Win in the
close out?
green. Sorry, losers. 28 cents. There I go.
Do we
Yeah,
want to
Link
just take
is also in
these
the green.
profits? Yeah, I feel like. What should we do? We should maybe just close out the trade.
Oh, yeah. If they're live, they do have their stop. Let's take the trades.
We'll let them
If you
know.
won't be happy, I gave you specific instructions where to exit.
Based on history, most people get stopped out, which is why I'm always suggesting that just exit the trade.
Yeah.
Stop loss forward.
But he has specifically instructed like consider the stop loss and take profit.
Oh, okay. I respect that. We'll leave it then.
Respect my daughter. You don't have that South Park downboard thing. I had to do it for you.
Oh, I got that one. Let me get it. Hold on. I gotta change some of the sound effects because they're not loud enough.
Yeah, it's not.
Really? Like, yeah.
I was
Yeah.
like reading I was reading a little about Palantir. There was news on 11 hours ago on Kathy Wood selling Palantir.
Hmm. Okay, so we're probably going in the right direction then if she's selling.
Yeah.
Oh, Kathy Woods? No way. Oh my gosh, she's crazy. She is a funny person. She's gonna be tanking the markets then. It's Kathy. Wow. And gold is skyrocketing. Thank you guys. Hey,
I know. I'm looking at it.
Why am I at 63 cents? We have thousands of dollars.
It's. Are you looking at XAU? Okay, so our entry was at
I think if you want more
4,800.
profit trading gold, you should trade on silver. Because silver is like, it moves right
Oh.
along with the gold, but it moves higher than gold.
Yeah. Okay, these arrows look really funny. Well, they are not supposed to look like that.
Yeah.
Let me message the guy because we had talked about the arrows. Okay, cool. All right, guys, I think it's time to wrap up our lovely show.
Yes, it is time to say
Time to
goodbye. Sorry, y'all.
Bye.
I came out of this a winner.
Ooh, you're right.
It's Billy B.
Ooh, do you want the profit? Do you want to let it go? I mean,
stop.
you have a take profit actually at 4,400, so I think you're good.
I think it's gonna hit.
Yeah,
Easily.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's gonna hit today.
You're welcome, Sai, for your profits for today. Your little minions here are making you monies. Well, except for Agile, he's making us lose money right now.
We gotta
No.
grow our account. Look at this.
Yeah, we have to grow our account.
5,000 this year.
That's why I'm not opening much trades, I'm very conservative on that side.
If you'd like to
I
donate,
don't
please
want to
donate
lose
to the
money.
address above for our Truth Social API, please.
Yeah.
We can all be winners together.
Yeah, if anyone has already paid, please share.
Yes, I'm down to pitch in.
There is
Only $1 a day.
Yeah,
What's
there is a GitHub repo where you can find all the trades from Truth Social from Donald Trump. But I'm not sure whether it's like it gets you the paid ones.
Yeah, I'm
But
curious.
it's there. Yeah, you can feed that to your AI, and it's a JSON format, so AI can handle that, and then you can run like trade on based on the sentiment from Donald Trump
Ooh,
trades. Yeah, you can do that. So
gotta hand
yes.
it. You gotta hand that goodie to me. Hand that baby to me. Sounds like a good one to look to. Everybody, you didn't hear that. This is all nuts. You know, we're not trying to inform you guys to do something illegal. But
By the way,
once-
next week could we hit 40 trillion debt? We are not there yet,
yes.
right?
Oh, we're not. We're almost there. We're very close.
Yeah.
I think we should have like a little celebration.
Yeah, we
next
should
week.
have a debt counter or like calendar, like time when it hits like 000 and then celebrate. Yes. We hit 40 trillion.
I guess send a thing for We'll I guess see if we can do we'll do something.
Maybe we should give out gold to the community.
Bullions for everybody. Bullions for
No? Hey, as the debt increases, the value of gold also goes up.
it does.
All right,
Hopefully.
guys. It's time for me to go to bed.
See you guys later. Bye.
Thank you guys for joining us. They're going to Betty Bye.
That was an awkward goodbye, guys.
I was like, wow, that was what kind of the show is that? I'm good in bed, guys. See you later. Fly. It's like you're hanging up with somebody. Alrighty, guys. Enjoy your evenings or mornings. Welcome to Trader Fade, and unwelcome because we're going to do it now. Everybody's going to sleep. Bedtime for everybody. Happy trading. Take care. Peace.
Bye.
Good God.